First, we select the hero. Here, I'm going to inject Claude's Mecha Dragon skin. The injection process is very fast when we use Shizuku. Once the injection is successful, open Mobile Legends, select the hero and look for the skin. As you can see, we can directly use Claude's Mecha Dragon skin. In this video, I'll show you how to use ZenHub GFX with Shizuku. ZenHub GFX is one of the Mobile Legends skin injector applications which allows you to preview hero skins available in the game. Before we continue, if this is your first time visiting this channel, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share this video to support us in reaching 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Now, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome, then download ZenHub GFX from the UpToDown website. Download the latest version, ZenHub GFX 2.6.1. Tap Download, then tap Open. After that, tap back and install ZenHub GFX. Next, we are going to use Shizuku. The advantage of using Shizuku is that the injection process becomes much faster and more stable. Now, install the Shizuku app from the Google Play Store. If you are using Android 14 or Android 15, Shizuku may not be available on the Play Store. In that case, you can download it from the link provided in the video description. In this tutorial, I'm using Android 13, so Shizuku is still available on the Play Store. Install the app, then tap Open, select Pairing, tap Notification option, and allow notifications. Next, go to Settings, choose About Phone, then open Software Information. Enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times. After developer options are enabled, go back to developer options, then turn on wireless debugging. Tap Pair Device with Pairing Code and enter the pairing code into the Shizuku notification bar. Once the pairing is successful, open the Shizuku app and tap Start. When Shizuku is running, go to Authorized Applications and make sure ZenHub GFX is enabled. Now, open ZenHub GFX. Select the hero and choose the skin you want. and that's it. That's how easy it is to use ZenHub GFX with Shizuku to preview Mobile Legends skins.
Perlihatkan tadi, coba itu apa? Apa tadi, skin apa tadi?
Badai pasti berlalu. Yang terpenting